Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly Forex forecast. First of all, thank you for your likes and comments under our videos. We really appreciate your interaction. This shows us that you value our time and pushes us to always give our best to you all. Now, building the right mindset is very important in Forex trading. Motivation is only one part of it, and this is why all our videos include something to do with motivation and how to empower your psychology to be a better trader. In this video, we will give you our weekly Forex forecast for Euro Dollar, Pound Dollar, Gold, US Oil, and 15 plus Forex pairs. In addition to that, we will give you a lot of Forex trading tips that will help you with your trading. So make sure to keep watching till the end to not miss any tip. Let's get started. DXY, for this one, we hope all of you who trade DXY are in this buy. We did say last week we are expecting DXY to move up, and we are biased to the upside. Those who are new, go back guys and watch our previous video. It's here on our YouTube channel. We said we are expecting DXY to move up, and it did move up. Now, those who are following us, you should be already in the buy. So if you are in, you should be in profits. Manage your trade accordingly. What we are expecting next for the XY, we are expecting more upside. So if you are in, you can take profits or move your stops and let the market unfold. Now, after this up wave, we will update you. Those who are not in, we do not suggest you to go for this buy. All of you know that we only give you one direction for every single pair. And we always try to give you the possibilities and what we will do if market behave in the other way. So for this one, like I said, we are biased to the upside. If you remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Now, if market will push to the downside to break this low again, we will not sell. This is not expected, but if market went down to break this low, we'll go for the next buy setup one more time. In all the cases, we will not sell DXY for now. Euro Dollar, for this one, you know we are biased to the downside and market starts to go down. If you are selling Euro Dollar from last week, move your stops and manage your trade. We are expecting market to give us a corrective structure and then one more move down. Guys, this is not target and these are not entries. What we are giving you here is only the bias and the direction of where we see the market might go next based on wave analysis and market structures. So this is not signals. Coming back to Euro Dollar, we are expecting Euro Dollar to go more down next week. If this pushed up from here, those who are in, they will get out for break even. And those who are not in, look for sell setups one more time if market will push upwards. We are not expecting this up wave and we will not trade this up move. We are focusing on our sell setups. Now, due to lots of requests from traders who are willing to join us but cannot afford our course price, also the current situation in the world and our commitment to help others have made us decide for the first time to give you an opportunity to get our course and learn from us for a discounted price. Our next course will be starting in March. It's a great opportunity for those who are serious about trading but couldn't afford our course earlier. All the details are on our website course page. You can find the link in the description under this video. Pound Dollar, for this one, how many of you guys remember this forecast? We said here, even with this down wave, we can see that market will push up again to break this top one more time. Where a lot of traders out there, they thought that this is the top and market will drop from here. We said last week, we can see one more push up to break this top again structurally. And this is exactly what happened. Noting that, we are not buying this. A lot of our traders were in this sell and they got in this sell and they made decent profits. Now, what next for Pound Dollar and what we are expecting? Market is making an ending structure. And this ending structure, it might get bigger. This means here, we might get another push up next week and then one more push down. Any up wave here for Pound Dollar, we will not buy it. Market is trending to the upside. And we are in a clear uptrend. But this trend is about to end soon. So, coming back to this one, any sell setup we see, we will go for it. Even if it's from here or from here. We are biased for one more push up. After this up wave, we will look for our sell setups. And this wave, we are expecting it to be sharp and fast. A wave similar to this one, sharp and fast wave. This is what we are expecting next for pound dollar here. Do not jump in, guys, and do not over risk. Trade your own system and trade your own plan. Why we are expecting this to go down, and what is the structure, and why fundamentals are supporting the structure here, T will explain this for you in details on Sunday session. Those who haven't yet subscribed to our monthly service, you don't want to miss those sessions. A lot of pairs are covered: Forex, commodities, cryptos, and indices every Sunday. For more details about this service, visit our website. Aussie dollar, one more pair. We said last week we are biased to the downside and market went down. We hope all of you trade Aussie dollar, get in this sell, and made decent profits with this down wave. Now, remember, this is a corrective structure. And we said every time market breaks this low, you take profits. So for this one, we are expecting next an up move. And this up move, it might be a corrective wave or an impulsive wave. For now, we will not trade Aussie dollar. We will leave it and we'll focus on other pairs. Those who wants to trade Aussie dollar, we are expecting an up move next week. This corrective structure, guys, it might be complex and bigger. So this means we will be getting up, down, and then another push up. If this will be spending time here sideways, there is a lot of opportunities in other pairs. Dollar yen, if you get in this buy or this buy, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section. We would love to read your comments, guys, and read your success stories. From here we said up, market went up. From here we said this is a corrective structure, another push up, and market went up again. We were in this buy and we made decent profits in this up move. Now, all of you are buying dollar yen, take more than 70% off and leave the rest at break even. Why? Even market now is in a trending mode to the upside. We can see it going down correctively, one more push up, and then from here, potential down wave to break this low one more time. For now, this is a bit far. If you are following us, you should be in the buy. And if you are in the buy, take more than 70% off and leave the rest at break even. Those who are not in, wait market to give you this up wave, and then you can go for the sell setups. Be very careful with this sell setup. This is a risky trade. If you are a trader who loves to go with the trend, or you like to trade reversals, wave analysis will help you to understand market structures and help you be in the right side of the trade, no matter what type of trader you are. All our traders, they are able to see the market here the same way we see it. And they can forecast, predict, and trade the next wave independently. Pay attention to this. Implementing a good risk management in forex trading is a must, not a choice. New Zealand dollar for this one, also we said one more push up and then downside. Market went up and it went back down. We did not break this low. But even market gave us this down wave. Now we are going up. What we are expecting next is a down wave. This trend shows us one more move down. And based on this structure and what we have here, we can see that market will push down to break this low one more time. So if you are selling, we hope that you made decent profits in this down wave or you get break even. In all the cases, no loss for this one. This will be a bigger corrective structure and then potential up move. If you are not in, leave this one and focus on other pairs. What are the pairs that we are focusing on? T will explain this for you on Sunday session. On every Sunday, we show our members what pairs we are focusing on. So if you would like to know those pairs, subscribe to our Sunday session. For New Zealand dollar, we are still biased to the downside. This is a corrective structure to us. US oil for this one, we said from here this will be a corrective structure. Market went down, give us this up wave, down, up, and then this down wave. A lot of traders made a lot of money in this down wave. And then what we said from here? We said we are expecting an up wave. Market starts to go up, but the way market is going up here, we do not like it, and this changed a bit the structure. What I mean by that, we're expecting now after this wave, another down wave here. But those who are in the buy, your worst case scenario, it should be break even or small loss. For this one, there is no loss. You will be only getting break even if you get in this buy. Now, looks like US oil is making a big corrective structure before the next upwave. For now, we can see it going down for the next week. Structure do change time to time. This is why you have to follow us on a weekly basis so we can update you. And it's very important to keep watching till the end. This will support the channel, and also you will benefit from a lot of forex trading tips that you might need. To succeed in forex trading, you have to surround yourself with people that push you to do better and only better. And if you can surround yourself with successful traders, this will be the best thing to do. Gold, we hope all of you get in this buy. And after this top, a lot of traders took profits and they sent us a message. Now, after this upwave, some of our traders get in this buy and then they sold from the top. If you get in this buy and you made profits with this upwave, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section. What next for this one? Market will be pushing up again. This is what we can see. Breaking this low or not, we'll be expecting market to push up one more time to break this top. Those who are not in, leave it for now. We forecasted this down wave if you remember, we forecasted this one, and we forecasted this one. Also, a lot of you guys were following us from here. Up, correction, up to break this top, and then down after that. So we are following this wave by wave, week after week. What next for this one? We are expecting a down wave now, and then one more push up is very possible. Those who are selling, move your stops to break even and let the market unfold. At the moment, we do not have enough information to see that this is pushing up. If you are buying from here or you are selling from here, you must be in profits or you must have made good profits. For now, after this down wave, it might be going up to break this top one more time. Pound yen, for this one, we are not surprised that market pushed up and we broke this top. You remember this, right? More than once, we said market will be pushing up to break this top one more time. Breaking this top or not is not the key. But structurally here, we were expecting another push up. And this is exactly what happened. If you remember this forecast, guys, let us know in the comment section. Now, what next for pound yen? Any sell setup, guys, we will go for it. We are expecting pound yen to make a down move under this low, and this one. So this will be 400 to 500 pips move, and we are expecting it to be sharp and fast, similar to this one, or this one. Like I said, for now, any sell setup we get, we will go for it. Do not jump in and do not over risk. Use our forecast as an additional tool for your system. If you do not have a system, you have to learn one. You can learn it alone or find someone to teach you how to trade correctly. If you want to go for our next course, you know where you can find the details. The link is in the description under this video. Your job is to build and grow your account slowly but surely. The only way to achieve this is by following a good system and be disciplined. Dollar CAD, for this one, market went up, gave us this corrective structure, it went back up. Now we are getting another corrective structure for another push up. Those who are following us, you should be already in the buy. And if you are buying, make sure to move your stops or take partial profits and leave the rest at break even. We are expecting dollar CAD to move up above this top. So trade accordingly and trade with care. Aussie Swiss, for this one, from here, we're expecting market to go up again to break this top. Instead, we've got a corrective structure and then one will push down. We are going up again. So are we getting a change of structure? We need to see how this will behave here and then you go for the next setup. We are still expecting Aussie Swiss to move up. And those who are still holding this one, keep moving your stops and manage your trade. Analysis is only one part of this business. You have to learn how to read the market and then how to trade it correctly. Cad Yen, for this one, a lot of traders made decent money with this down wave, and market starts to go up again. Like I said last week, if you remember, I said all yen pairs shows us an up move is coming, and this is the move. Pound yen went up, dollar yen went up, Cad Yen went up, and Euro yen also went up. Now, what next for this one? We are expecting market to make one more push up to break this top and then downside after this. Breaking this top, like I said, is not the key. Any sell setup we get, we will go for it even from here. So do not wait market to go up above this top and you jump in for the sell. If you do that, you might lose your account. Analysis is only one part. After this, you need good strategy, money management, risk management, trade management, and correct mindset. All of this build a trading system. And this is the trading system that we have. So coming back to CAD Yen, we are expecting one more push up and then down wave to follow. We will not be trading any up wave here. We are focusing on our sell setups. Any up wave from these levels, we will ignore it and we will look for our sell setups after this. Yurian, for this one, we're expecting market to give us a corrective structure. This is the corrective structure. What next for Yurian? We're expecting market to give us a down wave. If you get a sell setup for Yurian, you can go for it. This move, guys, we're expecting it to be more than 300 pips move. Once you have the correct bias, you can continue to the next step. Do not risk your money before you build your knowledge. This is very important. Most traders, they risk their money, they lose, and then they decide to learn. Don't be most traders. Euro CAD, for this one, market went up, it gave us a corrective structure, and now we are going to the upside one more time. What next for this one? If we get a corrective structure here, one more push down. So we will not buy Euro CAD from these levels. If you want to buy it, you go for it. For us, market can make one more push up and then sell setups after that. We will be looking for our sell setups for Euro CAD. If you are in the buy, just move your stops and let the market unfold. Those who are still holding those sells from here, you have to take more than 70% off and leave the rest at break even. Dollar Swiss, for this one, if you are in this buy, move your stops and let the market unfold. The way market is going up here, we do not like it. We might be getting up, down, and then up again. In all the cases, we will not be going for any sell setup for Dollar Swiss. We are biased to the upside and we think that market will make up, correction, and up again. Any sell setup, ignore it. Any drop under this low, look for buy setups one more time. This is what we will do. If market will give us a sell setup, we will ignore it. If market will give us buy setups, we will go for it. Those who are new to WeTradeWaves channel, our weekly Forex forecast is published every Saturday at 4 p.m. UK time. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. Another tip, always try to take partial profits and be positive that you made money. This is very important, guys, and especially nowadays, because there is a lot of uncertainty in the markets. By taking partial profits, you will be able to make consistent money. Those who want to know all the details about our next course, you can find the link in the description under this video. Thanks for watching, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.